Smart Snacking from the Hospital for Sick Children. This video explains what smart snacking is and how to do it. What is smart snacking? Why do we need to snack anyway? Snacking gives us energy, complements our nutritional requirements. It keeps us from overeating at mealtimes, and it keeps our blood sugar levels from dipping too low. If you are not hungry, you don't need to have snacks. Speak to your healthcare provider if you are taking insulin, as snacking may be important. First, what is a snack? A snack includes 1 to 2 food groups, such as a vegetable or fruit, for example, broccoli, peppers, blueberries, apple, and a protein food like eggs, chickpeas, low-fat milk or cheese, peanut butter, or a whole grain food like bread, roti, tortilla, or cereal. Just like at mealtimes, food portions are important when snacking too. There are different ways to approach proper portion sizing for snacking. Smart snacking portions. Get into the habit of checking the amounts you are eating using common portion size guidelines. Here's what to plan for. Single snack foods can easily be approximated by using the fist method. When eating one specific type of food, such as strawberries, you can use the fist method to approximate the portion to eat. For example, a portion of strawberries is about the size of a fist. A portion of fats, such as butter, is the size of a thumb. Here are a few more examples of snack portioning using the fist method. Portions for fruits and vegetables, like apples, and starches or carbohydrates, like rice, pasta, cereal, or potatoes, are also about the size of a fist. Portions for proteins like meat, tofu, and nuts fit onto your palm. And portions for dairy products like milk, cheese, or yogurt can be half a fist to a full fist, depending on the amount of sugar or fat in them. The thickness of the food also affects the portion size. Bread is thinner than an apple and can be measured by a hand, and flatbreads are thinner still, so spread your fingers to approximate a portion of a roti, naan, or tortilla. The fist method works best when you are snacking on one type of snack food. But what if you're combining snack foods? Combination snack foods need more attention to measurement. But once you know the serving sizes, you do not need to keep measuring them. As you learn, you may want to use a kitchen scale or measuring cups to make sure your snack is not too large. There are a few things to keep in mind when preparing combination food snacks for yourself and your family. When having a snack, it should be between 100 to 200 calories. Low in sugar, less than 8 grams per serving. Low in fat, less than 5 grams per serving. And contain protein or fiber to fill you up. Treats do not usually fit these guidelines. Here are some snack ideas that fit the 100 to 200 calorie guidelines. 1 cup edamame, or 5 whole grain crackers and 1 ounce, 28 grams, of low-fat cheddar, or a baked apple or pear with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and cinnamon, or ½ cup of berries, fresh or frozen, with a ½ cup of 1% cottage cheese, or ½ cup of plain yogurt, or 3 cups of air-popped popcorn with 4 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese, or a strawberry banana smoothie with 1 cup of skim milk, half a medium banana, and a ½ cup of strawberries fresh or frozen, or a hard-boiled egg and 6 walnut halves, or 1 cup of sugar snap peas, or a ½ cup of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of raisins and 1 teaspoon of chia or flax seeds. Smart snacking tips. Snacking smart can be easy if you plan for it ahead of time. Here are some tips that will make smart snacking easier for you and your family. Number of snacks. Have a maximum of 1 snack between meals. This means 3 snacks a day, 1 mid-morning, 1 mid-afternoon, and a bedtime snack if you are hungry. Plan your snacking. Plan for and purchase the types of food items you will need for all your snacks each week. Be mindful when picking up snack foods in convenience stores because these processed foods are often high in calories, fat, sugar, and/or sodium. Shop for packaged snacks that fit the recommendations for portion size, fat, and sugar. Prepare your snacks ahead of time. Prepare and separate fresh snacks into their snack-sized portions ahead of time. You will be less likely to grab a packaged food snack if a fresh one is already available. Do not eat the snacks straight out of a large container like a large chip bag. Instead, set aside your snack portions for the day and put the larger container away. Unplanned snacking. We recommend planning healthy snacks ahead of time, but that's not always possible. For grab-and-go snacks, here are some options to consider. Look for fresh fruit, sugar-free gum, or sugar-free drinks such as flavored water. Or you could choose one single-serve yogurt, veggie chips, cheese, plain popcorn, or nuts. Be mindful that not all of the snacks will fit the guidelines. Snack on fresh foods. Most processed foods have too much sugar, fat, or salt and are not considered smart snacks. Try to remove distractions while you are snacking. You are more likely to overeat when you are distracted while eating. It's okay to have a fun TV or movie night with a healthy snack, but try to be mindful of how much you are eating. Snack mindfully. Mindful eating guidelines are important even when snacking. Listen to hunger and fullness cues and stop snacking before you are full. Consider if you are snacking because you are hungry, or if it's out of boredom, or to distract yourself from an uncomfortable emotion. See our video on mindful eating to learn how to eat mindfully. Drinks count as a snack too. Drinks can be less filling and may not be the best choice for a snack when you are hungry, even if they are healthy. Remember that most ready-to-drink beverages are usually high in sugar. If you plan to drink your snack, consider smoothies combining fresh fruit and vegetables, milk and alternatives, and seeds such as chia or flax. Be mindful of the portion size. Water, diet beverages, black tea, and coffee do not count as a snack. When a snack craving hits, remind yourself of your smart snacking goals. Examples could include drinking water instead of sugary drinks, eating one non-starchy vegetable at every snack, trying a new fruit every week, or eating slowly without distractions. Be patient and kind to yourself when you feel you have overeaten or oversnacked. It takes time to get into a healthy eating routine. Your body may be adjusting to a healthier lifestyle. Don't give up. Try to make better choices with your next snack or meal. We are here to help. If you have questions or need further tips, please contact your healthcare provider.